Karnataka Governor Thawarchand Gehlot cut short his customary address to the joint session of the state legislature on January 22nd, triggering a fresh confrontation between the governor and the Congress government. The governor read only the opening two lines and the concluding sentence of the cabinet-approved speech before walking out of the house. The address lasted less than 2 minutes. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah later said the government was considering approaching the courts, alleging that the governor had violated constitutional norms. He said the governor was bound to read the speech prepared by the elected government and accused him of acting under pressure from the union government. Congress legislators protested inside the house and followed the governor as he exited, raising slogans against his conduct. Senior Congress MLCs expressed anger over what they described as an insult to the legislature. Siddaramaiah told reporters that the governor's action violated Articles 176 and 163 of the Constitution, which require the governor to act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. He said the government would formally protest what it saw as an unconstitutional act. Tensions had been building since the previous evening after the governor reportedly objected to 11 paragraphs in the speech that criticized the union government. A delegation led by Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil had met the governor on January 21st to pursue him to deliver the full address. After the House resumed, sharp exchanges followed between the Treasury benches and the opposition. The BJP accused the Congress government of disrespecting the governor. The Congress in turn alleged that the governor walked out while the national anthem was being played. The disputed speech referred to Karnataka facing a suppressive situation in economic and policy matters and criticized proposed changes to the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. With this, Karnataka joined Tamil Nadu and Kerala among southern states where governors and elected governments have clashed over the customary address to the legislature.
New Year, the governor has to address the joint session and he has to read the speech prepared by the cabinet. That is constitutional because 176 of the Indian Constitution, Article 176 of the Indian Constitution and 163 of the Constitution says he or she, governor, shall read the speech prepared by the government or cabinet. Today, instead of speaking the speech prepared by the cabinet, he spoke the speech prepared by himself. That against the Constitution, provisions of the Constitution, Indian Constitution. It clearly violates Article 176 and 163 of the Indian Constitution. Therefore, it is not going to be the speech of the governor. He has not discharged his duties as per the Indian Constitution. He has not discharged his responsibilities as prescribed by the Indian Constitution. Therefore, we are going to protest against the attitude of this governor.
Are you going to approach the Supreme Court constitutional bench?
We are examining to approach the Supreme Court or not. We will let you know.